Okay, this is number 103 on the homework. Okay, this one you have, this one you have two terms right there, and you want to factor out greatest common factors. So that's what we're looking for. So in the first term, you have x minus 1, and you also have an x minus 1 squared in the second term. So factor out the x minus 1, that's what's common. You factored it completely out of this term, and you have 1 left in that term. Then look at the x plus 2 squared. Okay, so you have an x plus 2 squared and then an x plus 2. So I can factor out an x plus 2. Okay, you're left with 1 in that one, and it's completely out of that factor. That's when you put your bracket. I have an x plus 2. I'm just going to write everything that I see. I see a minus. Don't forget about the minus in there. And then an x minus 1. Close your bracket. And then you want to simplify inside that bracket. So this is the same as x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 2 minus x plus 1. Distribute that negative to both of those. Okay, still I have like terms, so I can simplify. These x's are going to subtract out, so those are gone. And this, you're just left with 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now, you can write it like that, x minus 1, x plus 2 times 3. Or you can move the 3 to the front. I usually like to put the a constant in the very front. So 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2. And remember that multiplying is commutative, so it doesn't matter where. You can put it in the very middle of those two terms if you want. It doesn't matter where you have the terms or what order they're in, as long as they're all there. So that's the version, or that's the factored form of number 103.